Stranded down out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me.
It's Monday, y'all. It is Monday.
We can be free.
Got a wreck out here. I'm going to tell y'all, one of the biggest problems with these wrecks is people not paying attention and being on those. You should have got a ticket for that. I'm sorry. Not paying attention and on those cell phones, man. Let me tell you something. Your life and whoever life you may affect is more important than the cell phone. Put the cell phone down. Put it down. It's not that serious. A couple of decades ago, we didn't even have it. I left my phone one time and I was like, you know what? Once I get home in the daytime, I may get on the computer, but I don't even look at my cell phone anymore. Anyway, y'all, good morning. Welcome on my new subscribers. It's all love over here. I was reading something online yesterday, and it really saddened me. It was a Penn State football player. He was from Liberia, I think they said. Libya? What was he from? Anyway, they said he and his dad and his brothers had escaped hardship and wherever they came from. And he was 34 years old, diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. They showed a picture of he and his wife and the kids at a Penn State ball game. It was September the 10th this year. And they said that about 2 weeks later, he was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. And y'all, he died. 34 years old, left behind a wife. And I saw another picture where it was actually 3 kids. The wife was actually holding one. And so someone had started a GoFundMe, and the goal was $107,000, and they'd raised 104 something. But so young, gone so soon, and it was just so sad to me. 34 years old, just was diagnosed with cancer the end of September, and the middle of October, he already gone. Well, you may as well say this the end. So life is precious, y'all. That's why I say treat people right, be kind, live life, don't let life live you, trust God and know that he's in control. But I just feel so sad for those little kids, you know, and the wife. Lord, we just don't know. We just don't know. And the thing about it is, the life you live speaks for you. So his kindness is probably what got the donations for his kids in his absence. You know what I'm saying? You just have to, I think about stuff like that all the time. All the time. I think like, I want to be a blessing to somebody else's child, because somebody might have to be a blessing to my grandson, my children when I leave. You know? So, you know, life is so precious. Sometimes it's so hard, but you got to know who's in control. You have to know who's in control. God is. Soul for tea, that's my girl. She always say, God did that alarm clock didn't wake you up this morning. Jesus did. So true, so true. Oh, Lord. And that's why I was telling y'all the other day, that's why I like to keep my kids in church. Because guess what? When they don't have a friend, if the mama and daddy gone, they can always depend on the Lord. They got Jesus. Whew. Lord, have mercy. All right, y'all. That's all I want to talk about. Pray for that family. I'm going to show a picture of him. I can't pronounce his name, but I'm going to show a picture of him. So, they have a GoFundMe for his wife and kids. And like I told y'all, I'm not here for notoriety or wealth or anything like that. But if you find it in your heart to donate, because the man put that he started the GoFundMe, but the benefactor is going to actually be the wife and the kids. Oh, Lord, y'all. But through it all, God is still good. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a wonderful day.